Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. If you want to enable the tipping option on your Wix site and make it appear during checkout, here's how you can do it. First, you're going to need to install Wix Tips onto your site. So go to the App Market button and look for Wix Tips. Make sure to select the new version. Click on Add to Site and wait for it to finish installing. Once it's installed, go to your dashboard and make sure to reload it. And here, go to Apps on the left and select Wix Tips. The first category you'll see is the Client Checkout option. Make sure that you enable it so that you can let your clients leave a tip when checking out on your site. By the way, a pop-up will appear. Click on Add Plugin and then stay in your dashboard for now. Below, you can set even more options, such as the admin checkout, where you can either allow or disallow changes in tip distribution for your staff, set your tipping options, and set up how to split tips for orders with multiple staff members. So set these all up according to your business needs and preferences. And once you're done, review everything, and if everything's all good, click on Save to save your new settings. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.